Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the trunk of your Mitsubishi Outlander. First, let's look at the key fob. Find the button with the trunk icon, usually located near the bottom. Press and hold this button for about 2 seconds. You will hear a click, and the trunk will unlatch, ready for you to lift it open. This is a convenient method for quick access. Next, let's explore opening the trunk from inside your Outlander. Look for a small lever on the floor, usually to the left of the driver's seat or sometimes on the lower dashboard. This lever often has a trunk icon. Pull it firmly upwards and you will hear the trunk unlatch. Then, simply walk to the back and lift the hatch. Another common way to open your Outlander's trunk is using the button directly on the trunk lid itself. This button is usually discreetly placed, often above the license plate or integrated into the Mitsubishi emblem. Simply press this button and the trunk will unlatch. You can then lift it open to access your cargo space. Finally, for emergencies or if other methods fail, you can manually open the trunk from the inside. Climb into the cargo area and locate a small, often glow-in-the-dark, lever near the latch mechanism. Push or pull this lever to release the trunk. Always ensure the trunk area is clear of obstructions before closing it to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.